Welcome back. Today we're diving into the electric car landscape of 2025, a year set to be a turning point for EVs. The market is shifting from niche tech to mainstream practical vehicles for everyone. We're breaking down the 10 EVs poised to make the biggest impact, from affordable compacts to three-row SUVs. We'll cover specs, design, tech, and why each one matters for the future of driving. If you're even a little EV curious, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the most exciting electric cars of 2025. First up, the long-awaited Tesla Model 2, an electric car that's been the subject of rumors, speculation, and anticipation for years. This is Tesla's shot at a truly affordable EV, aiming to break the price barrier and bring electric mobility to millions more people around the world. Rumored to start around $25,000, the Model 2 is expected to be a compact hatchback or crossover, designed for city life but versatile enough for longer trips. It could be the car that finally makes EVs mainstream, not just for early adopters but for everyday drivers everywhere. Inside, expect Tesla's signature minimalist interior, a large central touchscreen, and the latest version of autopilot. Full self-driving will likely be available as an option, bringing advanced driver assistance to a whole new segment of buyers. Under the hood, the Model 2 is expected to use LFP batteries, which are known for their lower cost and impressive durability, helping keep the price down without sacrificing reliability. Tesla is targeting a real-world range of over 250 miles per charge, making it practical for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The design will likely be familiar and practical, with a focus on maximizing interior space and comfort, while still appealing to the masses with Tesla's signature style. But the real challenge for Tesla isn't just building the car, it's scaling up production to meet what could be unprecedented demand, all while maintaining the quality and innovation the brand is known for. If Tesla can deliver on its promises, the Model 2 could become the default choice for everyday drivers, making electric vehicles more accessible than ever before. This isn't just another car launch, it could be the tipping point that accelerates the global shift to electric vehicles, changing the way we think about transportation. With the world watching, all eyes are on Tesla to see if they can truly pull it off and redefine what's possible for affordable EVs. The Tesla Model 2 is easily the most anticipated EV of the year, and it could be the car that changes everything. Next up, we have the Ford Explorer EV, a legendary nameplate that's now making the leap to a fully electric future for North America. Ford is taking one of its most recognizable and trusted SUVs and transforming it for the new era of electrification, aiming to blend tradition with innovation. Built on Ford's dedicated EV platform, the Explorer EV is a genuine three-row SUV, purpose-built for families who need space, comfort, and versatility. It's designed to handle everything from daily commutes to weekend adventures, all while producing zero tailpipe emissions. The exterior features a rugged yet modern look, with aerodynamic enhancements that help maximize efficiency. Up front, you'll find a handy frunk, perfect for stashing gear, groceries, or sports equipment, adding to the Explorer's practicality. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin with a large vertical touchscreen and a clean, uncluttered dashboard. Ford's latest tech is front and center, offering intuitive controls, advanced connectivity, and plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike. When it comes to performance, expect battery options that should deliver over 300 miles of range on a single charge. Both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive variants will be available, giving buyers flexibility to choose what fits their lifestyle best. The Explorer EV is Ford's answer to the rapidly expanding three-row electric SUV segment, competing with rivals from both established automakers and new EV startups. It's designed to stand out in a crowded market. By electrifying a household name, Ford is betting big on brand loyalty and the mainstream appeal of the Explorer badge. They're hoping to attract both longtime Ford fans and new EV buyers looking for a reliable family vehicle. If Ford gets the details right, balancing range, price, and features, the Explorer EV could become a massive hit, setting a new standard for electric family SUVs in the process. With the Explorer EV, Ford is making a bold play for the electric family SUV crown, aiming to lead the charge into a cleaner, more sustainable future for American families. Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is their bold three-row electric SUV, Think futuristic living room on wheels. Built on the EGMP platform, it offers a flat floor and flexible, spacious interior. Expect lounge-like seating, sci-fi styling, and signature parametric pixel LED lights. Targeting 300-plus miles of range with ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. It shares its bones with the Kia EV9, so expect strong performance and practicality. The Ioniq 7 pushes boundaries in design, comfort, and tech. For families seeking a high-tech road trip-ready EV, this is one to watch. Hyundai is redefining what an electric SUV can be. The Volkswagen ID.7 is VW's electric flagship sedan, a sleek aerodynamic alternative to the SUV craze. With a drag coefficient of 0.23, it's built for efficiency and long-range comfort. The fastback design offers a spacious trunk and understated German elegance. Inside, usability is improved, with a larger screen and backlit controls. Expect 300-plus miles of range and a smooth, quiet ride. The ID.7 is for those who want a premium, high-tech daily driver with outgoing SUV. It's a mature, polished step forward for VW's electric lineup. In a sea of crossovers, the ID.7 stands out as a truly great electric car. The Chevrolet Equinox EV could democratize EV ownership in America. Starting around $35,000, it's a stylish, practical crossover built on GM's Ultium platform. Multiple configurations offer up to 319 miles of range and available all-wheel drive. The design is sharp and modern, with a tech-forward interior dominated by screens. It's practical, with good space for families and cargo. Chevy's goal: make EVs accessible, familiar, and appealing to the average family. The Equinox EV could convince millions to make the switch. Chevy might have just nailed the all-around electric family car. The Polestar 4 is a daring SUV coupe. Most notably, it has no rear window. Instead, a rear camera feeds a digital mirror, allowing for a panoramic glass roof and sleek design. Performance is key, up to 544 horsepower and 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, or a range-focused single-motor version. The interior is minimalist and high-tech with signature Scandinavian style. It slots between the Polestar 2 and 3, targeting premium buyers who want to stand out. The missing rear window is a bold statement. Polestar is pushing design boundaries. This is a performance EV for those who want something truly different. The Kia EV9 is the bold, boxy three-row SUV for families who want adventure and space. Built on the eGMP platform, it offers a rugged design, upright stance, and digital tiger face. Inside, there's real third-row space and available swivel seats for a lounge-like feel. The panoramic display and fast-charging tech make it both practical and futuristic. Up to 304 miles of range, with RWD and AWD options. The EV9 proves family EVs can be cool, spacious, and innovative. For big families going electric, this is a top contender.